Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which will actually shows the size of the file in the status bar. So if you go to the extensions tab, just type here size, and this extension will come right here, which is file size. It's installed by 137,000 developers. It currently shows the size of the current file that you're working in the status bar. So you just need to activate this extension by clicking the install button. So once you click the install button, you will see inside the status bar. So once you go to a file here, it will right here in the bottom section of the screen, it will show the size here. So for this current file, the size is 150 bytes. So here it is showing. So here you can go to any file here. So now this size is 3.94 kilobyte. So at any time, you just need to see the size here. You can go to the status bar. For the current file, it will show you the current size here. You will see 18 byte. So it's a very useful extension. You can see 1.5 kilobytes. So during development, you can actually integrate and activate this extension inside VS Code, which will directly show the size of the file in the status bar. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.